Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Alcatel One 2019, for the first you have to open the Bluetooth on the both devices. And right now on your Alcatel tap to pair the new device. And as you can see, here I can connect to my private smartphone, so I'm going to tap on it. And right now just simply accept the pair on the both devices, and as you can see, the smartphones are connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.